Hi guys, I'm going to be teaching you a 4-part manifestation course. This is going to be the first video out of the 4. I'm going to be teaching you perception and how to focus your energy on that perception to allow your manifestations to come in different ways, in ways you don't expect it. You need to have an open mind, positive mind. I will teach you how to do this and how to focus your energy so you're not contradicting yourself and you're not making your manifestations take more time than they need to take. Cool? Let's get to it. Your perception of the world, your beliefs, your truths that you hold, everything, the way that you see the world is going to affect your manifestations significantly, probably the most. You need to be open-minded if you want your manifestations to come quickly, to come easily. The best way to do this is to let go of old beliefs. Let go of old ways of thinking and see from many different perspectives. You can check out my How to Become Your True Self video because it will really help you get rid of these mental blockages that you have, such as, for example, you want a job. You're going to manifest there, sitting there, I want a job that gives me more money than I know what to do with. First thing that's probably going to come to your mind is, that's not how this works. I need to go actually look for a job, and I don't have the qualifications to get a job that will give me more money than I know what to do with. You're destroying yourself already. That manifestation is in the ground, dead, not going to happen. What I need you to do is I need you to realize that it will happen. There are so many opportunities, and the amount of money that you want is not the amount of money that you might need to cover all that you want. You'll see that in a little bit. I'll tell you about it later. But fix your perceptions. Have an open mind. Be open to making every situation special. If you want a job that gives you more money than you need and isn't what you love, you can't focus on a specific job. Now you're focusing an undue amount of energy on only one out of the infinite possibilities that you could come up with. And now you need to work to make just that one work. That's limiting, and that's gonna take your manifestation probably your whole life, if not longer, for it to work out. Or you could be in the perfect vibrational frequency for it to work. Each to their own. So, you have an open-minded positive. Positive is huge. Negative emotions such as fear, neglect, sadness, disbelief are limiting. Those type of emotions cut you off from opportunities. Excitement, happiness, love. Feeling those emotions towards your manifestation is just going to draw any possibility that you could have in quicker, faster. You'll be in situations you can't even fathom. You could not have thought of them because you're in a loving, positive mindset. That's a huge part of this open-minded, positive, optimistic view of the world. These emotions make you enjoy this process of manifesting so much more. And if any of you are familiar with the words of Bashar, you need to have abundance. And by abundance, I mean the ability to do what you need to do when you need to do it. There's no mention about money. There's no mention about special circumstances. The ability to do what you need to do when you need to do it. If you need to buy something to allow you to go somewhere to get this job, to get this thing that you need, that you want. Let's say you have $700 and you need to spend $600 of it to go fly out to get this job interview for this job that you want. You have the ability to do that. You understand you have financial abundance right there because you have the ability to do what you need to do when you need to do it. The thing is your old beliefs, your old mindsets teach you that if you only have $100 left in your bank account, you're screwed. But then you go to this job interview and you tell them that you flew out here and they go, oh, we'll pay for your hotel and your food. Well, because you were open to that. You were open to receiving help because you knew it was going to be okay. Let me give you guys a personal story of this. I was jobless in April. I had already signed a lease for this apartment. I was promising to give $569 per month when I only had like $300 in my bank account. How was I going to make that promise? Let me get a full-time job. Oh, in a college city full of not only all the residents, but all the college kids fighting for minimum wage jobs? Ouch. Good luck, JC. You've only been a temporary worker twice in your life. Not looking too good. However, I put faith. You need to take the first step of faith. You need to open your mind up first and have faith in everything that's going to happen, and it will work. If you live in a positive, excited, happy state during this, you will be fine. You will be okay. You will be taken care of. But you need to focus on this open-minded state. If your focus starts bringing in your old mindset in, you start thinking about your old mindset during this, you're going to clutter your mind when you're thinking about these manifestations, and they're not going to happen. Have an open-minded, positive mindset during all of this. That's what I did. I said I wanted a job that would make me happy, give me more money than I need, and I wanted to be doing what I love with people that I like. The company that I temporarily worked with opened a location down where I'm at. I sent one email and I got the job, and I have more money than I know what to do with at my age and with my amount of wants that I have. I'm fine. That was all I needed to do. I had the ability to do what I needed to do. I saw that they were doing that. I had the ability to send an email. I did it. I was fine. Now for others, your manifestations might call for more. No, everything happens for a reason. Whether you understand it now is totally out of the question. Everything happens for a reason. You need to understand situations that you're put in that might seem scary are only scary because of your old mindsets, your old beliefs. You need to replace those because they are limiting you. Fear is a limiting emotion. You need to have a more happy, positive, excited approach, knowing that this process that you're going through is going to allow you to experience life in total different ways. This works for everything. It's not just materialistic objects. If you want a better body, you need to have the mindset, the open, positive mindset that you can get a better, healthier body in any way. Not just the gym, it could be at work. If you're focusing only on the gym, now you're going to think about money, because that's where your perception is going to take you next. Now, your main focus is probably going to be, I don't have enough money, or I don't want to spend the money on a gym membership. You're killing that manifestation instantly. Though you have more than enough money to buy a gym membership and pay for the gas to drive you there. You have the car, you have the time, you have the money. You have the abundance to go to that gym because that's the only manifestation you're allowing. You have the abundance to do it. But because of beliefs of money, not to mention your old beliefs that you're lazy, you're procrastinating, don't allow you to follow through. And the issue comes when you focus on those old beliefs and not the new ones that you need. You need to go with excitement. Excitement is a feeling of wanting, a feeling of going. You are more open-minded when you are excited. Be excited. Now you approach this with an excited mindset. You think, I want a better body. You start instantly doing push-ups in your room. You wouldn't have done that before in your old mindset because you wouldn't have found it efficient. But this new excitement will take it in any way it can. You start doing push-ups. You find that there's a gym close by. You have a car. You have the money. You purchase the membership. You go the same day. See that? You don't care. People put too much focus on money. Money is the block. That's what you need to understand. Money is the block, the limitation that isn't even real. That might confuse some of you, but for those of you that get it, you will understand what I'm saying. Money is the illusion. It's that facade, but because you're afraid of giving your money, you're afraid of going past this veil, you're limiting yourself. Don't do that. Money will get you nothing. Experiences are where the knowledge comes that will get you more money. Experiences are where the happiness comes, which will make your life worth living. Put your focus on to your new positive mindsets. Open your mind. Get rid of your old beliefs. Please watch my video of how to become your true self if this isn't making much sense to you. I go in depth on ways to help you open your mind, neutral thinking, etc., etc. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this made sense. If it was kind of muddy, you can message me. I'm more than happy to help. The next one is going to be very exciting. And again, 4-part series, so this is the first part. If you can start manifesting little things or big things off of just this, you're gonna love the next few. If it's not making sense, don't worry. The next few go on top of this. They'll add more layers. You're gonna have everything you need to manifest the life you want. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I love y'all so much.